Get it.
It's we're looking at what looks like a gold crest or a chaffinch, but it looks more like a gold crest. The way it's hanging under the branches. I'll see if I can get the camera above it.
I don't think you can see the birds.
Aye. I'm looking in from the, it's hard to see it, isn't it? There's bits of stuff in the way. I cannot see in there properly. No, I cannot see it properly. Like, if I can get in from this side, it looks a bit better. Aye, that would help, like. Amongst some of these bits of handy bits in the way. It's a bulky camera, isn't it? These handy cams.
That looks more like it.
There's a cup. And is there eggs in there?
I think it is, isn't it?
There's something in there. Little eggs, I think.
I'm not sure what that look when we go back, like. We'll have to look. It's definitely cutting that rough. Might just be feathers, you know, white feathers, but we'll have a look when we get back. It's hot and making it easy. I think it's just feathers what we're looking at now.
I'm sure I can see round things in the bottom.
Maybe you have to can't tell.
I know. I can hear chaffinches, yeah, like, so it could even be a chaffinch. It's a strange chaffinch as it is, because it's hanging under the branch. There's a chaffinch there, but it's hanging under a branch. It's like they're normally in the V on the branch, not hanging under like a gold crest. Well, now when we get back and put it on the computer. Right, we've come up to this place again. We're gonna like go for a walk and see what we can find.
We're gonna check that gold crest.
Aye.
To see if we can get a better shot of it.
Better footage.
It should have several like new.
It should have. Because I'm sure I could see 2 last time. It's just when the feather's been in the way, now once the bird starts incubating, we're hoping it's laid a few more. It's been a few days.
It's like,
so we might have gotten a good view.
Like the feathers are covering the eggs.
Aye.
You might be able to see them if we're having them at go, like.
Right. Old blackbirds.
We'll have a bit walking.
Aye. See what else we can find.
I've just seen that on the rocks again, the sandpaper.
Sandpaper?
Aye. It's on the rocks again, because it's still like, at first I think it's a wagtail.
It's got the waggy tail, like a wagtail, and they're only a small bird, aren't they? They would nest along here, you know, just stupidly. Just look like a small...
And then it flew down.
Right, so it come back up again. This is where we seen it last time up this port.
We'll have a good walk.
Aye. Right, we're a bit further down from the gold crest. Well, now it looked like the beginnings of a spotted flycatcher, we're just not sure.
Not 100% though.
No, cannot say it for certain. But it's an ideal place, mate. It's because it had a bit of a cup going. I just want to see if it's been like any more substantial.
Looking any different? Is it looking any different?
It's looking different now, it's been predated.
How's it gone?
Aye. Something's been in. Pulled the nest out. Yeah. That was like a perfect cup.
No, not anymore.
No? I got one on camera, it was a perfect cup. Hey, that's what. Walking how way back in now. Oh.
Hey, we'll walk back up.
I know. Hey.
We'll go and have a look somewhere else, Bob.
Where aye?
Off and somewhere else.
Aye. Right, I've just put the camera back on. We've got a spotted flycatcher in front of her. It was quite agitated that was here.
It seems as though it wants to be in here, doesn't it?
Aye. There's a lot of loose stuff on these trees where they could be nesting. It definitely wants to be in here. It's quite agitated that way here. Is that what that is?
Yeah.
I was looking at that, you know, standing here.
It's just there.
I was looking at that from here.
Oh, that's a lovely nest, mate.
Huh?
I've got a couple of eggs in.
Gives me. I'll come around this side because it's. Oh, champion. Because I could see the birds in here that I can't see from over there. Look at that one.
I love the eggs, though. Now the colour on them.
Oh, aye. I was wondering why the birds were really agitated. You can just hear them making that little chat noise. Beautiful nest, that one. Well, that is a beauty. There is the bird. The pair of them. I can see a wren over there.
I can see the wren.
I can see the flycatcher there. Aye, that's lovely, that one. Now, you can see the stone hut down there. You can still hear the little flycatchers, but I've never found one ever, you know, like...
That's the first one for me.
Aye, I got showed one off one of my mates when we were kids.
It's the same with the... I've never even seen one.
Aye, and then we've just found the Goldcrest in the same bit of wood.
And that's the first one I've
Aye, two first for both of us. We found Goldcrest that had been like predated, you know, with knackered egg on the floor, but that was years ago. It wasn't the same as finding a nest. But I'm actually quite chuffed that I've seen them flycatchers, and we're going to come back to that when it's incubating because it's just got a couple of eggs in there.
Oh.
It's not incubating yet, they were cold.
It couldn't be any better.
No, that's it. See, because where I checked that other nest, you know, the one that had been predated on the other side, it was just over that other side in them trees. So that must have been like a secondary nest or something, and they've come over.
That's a nice little nest, you know.
Aye, so that's it. Lovely, that. Aye, lovely, like beautiful nest. I cannot think of the words. Oh God. Because we haven't really got the time when we're thinking, sure, what's doing here.
Just a quick look, wasn't it? It was the easiest one ever, really.
Oh, just stuck behind that bark. Lovely nest though. I can see all the birds flying around it. Cause we get different birds up here. We've got different birds up here than what we get in our local area, so we're not sure.
I've never even seen this one.
No, we haven't.
I've seen the Goldcrest fly.
Aye. We've seen the Goldcrest a lot, didn't we? Aye.
On the nest, so
aye.
I think we put one in the back, what it was like. So now we want to...
Aye. See, when I got showed one when I was a kid, I was probably like 13 or 12 or something, you know, so it's talking like 40 years ago. You know, so that I've still got a little bit of a memory.
I think I remember you being on it, but it wasn't Wayne.
Aye, Wayne. Showed us it, and I think I showed you the place where it was at.
Did I?
Aye.
Doing with the viaduct, is it the girl?
It is, aye, the one's girl. But I'd never known anybody else that had found them doing there, so that was a good find, what he done that, yeah. Aye. But I was just going to have a quick look in here. I'm actually there with the camera, I might as well leave it on.
Way. Of course. These white plants are our pig nuts.
Aye.
So digging as a kid now, right at the bottom, and you've got like a nut, what you dig with it.
Oh, right, aye.
Kind of hot like now the way the radish is.
I can hear, I've seen a pied wagtail up that tree flying out of here as we were on the approach. Is that a pheasant? Oh, it's a duck.
It's a duck.
Christ, so they've got young ones because it's trying to lead her away.
Give us a bit of a fright.
Oh, it's trying to lead her away. It's got chicks there somewhere for them. They do that, didn't they? Oh, bloody stinks in here, man. I'm a bit worried about what happening here. There's a nest there on that corner. Yeah, the duck's coming back. It's trying to lead her away. That's got a bunch of chicks down here somewhere, or eggs or something. I'll tread careful. Because it's trying to lead her away, look. And it was here. I'm being super careful where I'm standing. There's not going to be a nest. It's a female now, mate. Look at this.
Right.
Pretend it's got broken wings or something. Right, we'll have a look in this barn anyways. I'll leave them because it's. I'm scared to stand on that grass where it's going to have chicks. I didn't want to stand on the little things. Pie Rodtail sitting on X.
Is it?
Aye, the bird sitting on it.
Christ almighty. I couldn't have had a better day.
Wait, is it a Pie Rodtail?
I'm not actually sure. I don't think it is, you know.
It's all grey.
Oh, the young ones,
bunch
man.
of chicks. Aye, it's feeding chicks.
Aye, the chicks.
There's another one sitting there.
They're all pie tails, aren't they?
They look like them, aye.
Aye. Alright.
So they're pied or grey? I think they're grey, aren't they? No, I don't know.
Can you see this? Get a good
Aye.
look on the camera, see if you can. Your hand on in the road.
Aye, I know. God, I not even thought of that. I'll zoom in a little bit and I'll put the torch underneath. So people can see. What's that thing above there? There's a bottle.
Ah, like
A blue bottle. Not a fly blue bottle. I was going to have a look in here, you know, in case there's out in.
why you going?
I'm being super careful in case there's...
There's been a nest up here, no? Is that side of you?
Alright. Yeah. I didn't want to dive into here in case there's any bird of prey.
What?
A bird of prey. Like a little owl or even a barn owl, because you know, they fly out. There's a nest straight ahead there. Is that a jackdaws? I don't know.
Yeah.
There's some kind of... Because they just sit and all of a sudden they blast out. It's the perfect place for them. They will just be sitting on these rafters somewhere.
Can't see no like. Higher or what something you know, but
No, that's what I'm looking for, because there's a bit of a nest there. It's old, like, old as hell, that. I'll have a look along this end. I can't see up that side. Because it's a perfect place for a little owl.
I don't think it's out this. It's seen out anyway.
That's all I'm looking for.
Just that pie rock hill 60 will come in, but
Baby sheep. Oh, baby lamb, I should say.
yeah, it's not beautiful.
I'm just having a good look. That's it, alright. Just a little wagtails there. No what else. Well, we're in a different part of the wood. I mean, we've just crossed over the water here. And in that birch tree, just up there, you can see the nest.
It's hard to tell from here. It's a little moss nest, but
We're not sure.
could just be a chaffinch, is that?
It kind of looks like one, but you can see the bird's head peeping over the top there, looking at one.
I bet you still can't really
Hard to make out what it is.
Yeah, it's
Even on the viewfinder on the camera there, I'm zoomed in, but
we're just not really 100% out.
no, could come further back and put the camera on the tripod and zoom in on it. Don't know what it is. It's either a chaffinch or a flycatcher again. Another flycatcher.
I don't think it's a fly catcher.
No, it hasn't got the cap like a chaffinch.
Wait,
So.
look at that fly catcher. It flew as soon as we got close.
Aye, true.
We weren't even,
Uh-huh.
you know, we're like 20 yards away and it flew
Aye,
off.
you're right. Aye, you did. Aye. Right, I'll turn the camera off and we'll have a better, see if we can get a better viewpoint of it.
There's what we think's another spotted fly catcher, but the other one was like about 4 foot off the ground. This is
15.
about 15 foot up. It's a lot more what to get it, but it's got 4 eggs in there. You can see them there quite well. But we're sure there's another spotted flycatcher. That's the second one we've found.
We found another one on Derby up the top, didn't we? It looked like it was on Derby, we weren't sure. Well, we're just checking the dippers because this had eggs at the beginning of the year, didn't it? And we're quarter feeding chicks as well.
They're about 25 looks away.
That nest was empty. But this one's it's moved out of this side into this hole. Oh, look at them, I'll zoom it in a little bit. I've got them on there nicely, so I didn't want to disturb them so long. They look quite big, like at least a couple of weeks old. Just getting back out there now. Nice.
We're just getting in the car, we noticed the wagtail flew into the sward, yeah. And when we came up, there's a little nest, a little take a look at the owl or something, didn't they?
They've just hatched like having that.
Aye, but
it's hard to see, we've left the torch in the
car. We had a fun when we walked out a couple of days ago, that would have had eggs.
They would have been incubating still. It's a nice one, mate.
But this is, we didn't really check the wires that much, we should.
No, we should. We definitely should check them. Right, we'll get away then. Right, we're nearly back to the car.
Let's just land on the rock in there. Let's begin to feed them. There's a rock on the other side of the water. If you duck low, you can see it.
I can see the white chest on it, I think. Aye. It's straight ahead of me there.
If I had put the camera, it would have probably been straight in feeding.
Aye. You can just see the white on it.
Anyway.
Should be middle of the shot there.
Aye.
Oh, it flew away. But anyways.
Oh, it's definitely one of the good days, this.
Aye. Two what we haven't fun before.
Like ever.
Aye, ever. So that's good. I like that flycatchers, man. I'm still buzzing with that.
You can see the flycatcher's great because it was dead low.
Oh, and it was an easy one to view, wasn't it?
Aye, you can see the eggs really good, but I'm hoping you can see these eggs.
Aye.
Because it was a bit hard. And,
yeah, it was an awkward one to get into.
you might be to make it like.
Aye. Oh. I'm done in. It was just one of them walks where I was on a high. From two guns, you know.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, we're really being happy normally when we come to Pied Wagtail sticks in the difference.
Aye. But then to find two on sort of what you could call your bucket list sort of thing. You know, your burden list.
Right, back on the list.
Aye, back on the stairs, back of the car. Right, thanks for watching.